karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox my Tissot T-Race automatic chronograph. So guys, before I take it out of the box, I would like to tell you the reference number for this watch is T115427370910. I will write the reference number in the description also. So guys, this watch is a part of T Sport collection by Tissot. Okay, so while I'll opening the box, I would like to tell you the MRP of this watch was 535 Omani Rials, which is equivalent to 1400 USDs, and I got it in an offer. I paid about 428 Omani Rials, that is around 1100 American dollars. So guys, let us open the box. Okay, so guys, this is Tissot T-Race automatic chronograph. Okay, so guys, if you look at this watch, it is inspired by motorcycle racing. Okay, so if you look at the bezel of this watch, it looks like brake disc of a motorcycle. See, this looks like a disc and this looks like a brake caliper. Okay, and if you look at the back of this watch, it comes with a glass back case, and even the back case is inspired by a motorcycle wheel, and you can see the automatic mechanism working from the back. So it is really very amazing, okay, how so many things are happening in such a tiny little space. Okay, so right now no one wore it, so I will wind it a little so that it starts working. Okay, so it starts working. Case of this watch is made up of stainless steel, and it comes with black and khaki PVD coating. Okay, so then this watch, it has a sapphire crystal date at 3 o'clock position, and it offers the water resistance of up to 100 meters. Okay, so this comes with 2 years. As I told you, it comes with 2 years international warranty, and you can see a tiny magnifying lens on the date. Okay, so guys, and the band material of this watch is combination of leather. So we have some part of the band made up of leather, and the back of the band is made up of rubber, and the front of the band is made up of canvas. So the back band of this watch is a combination of leather, canvas and rubber. So guys, before I end this review, I'll wear it on my wrist. Let us see how it looks on my wrist. So already I'm wearing a Romer Trackmaster, so let us try this Tissot T-Race. I must say the fit of this watch is very comfortable, very comfortable. It fits nicely on the wrist. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much in this. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more watch reviews, EDC reviews, unboxing videos, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.